Hello there, welcome back to my channel you guys. I am Simran. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then go and hit that subscribe button. Alright, so today we will be learning colorful watercolor backgrounds. Painting these backgrounds is really easy as it doesn't require any kind of skill set, and most importantly they are less time consuming. So what we will be doing today is we're going to paint our background. Once it gets dried up, we're going to write a small coat on it using a permanent black marker. And also you can use these backgrounds once you get them framed. You can hang them on the walls of your living room, your bedroom, or maybe you can just put them on your studying table. They're going to look really nice. So without consuming much of your time, let's start. So people, for painting a colorful background, you require a brush, okay, and especially you will be requiring 12 number brush or 14 number brush, okay. The bristles of the brush has to be bigger, okay. That's why we require a 12 number brush or a 14 number brush, okay. Then any color, whichever your colors are favorite, you can go for those combinations. Like I'll be going with crimson and yellow plus white, okay. Why white? I'm going to use white color at the end. Once a pattern is complete, then I'm going to just spray some white color on it, okay. So these were the requirements, these were the material required which you're going to require in this colorful background, okay. So let's begin. I'm going to show you how you have to start. What you have to do is nothing. You just have to take some color on your brush and you just have to dab it, okay. It's that easy, okay. So let's begin. I'll be taking crimson first, okay. Crimson color I'm going to take first. See, like this you have to take crimson on your brush and then you just have to dab. See, different patterns like this, okay. And now on the same brush, you don't have to clean it. If you have excess color in your brush, you can just clean it from the bottle of the color like this. And on the same brush, without cleaning it, you have to take the other color, okay. So I'll be taking yellow on the same brush of mine and I'm going to dab it again on the places which have white, okay. Now see, I am hoping you are able to see that how the color got mixed, okay. So now again I'm going to take some yellow because our color has mixed very nicely. Again yellow, okay. So keep dabbing like this. See, our pattern is clear, okay. We have done the pattern, but as you can see that in some places the white portions are visible, okay. You have to make sure that none of the white portions are visible. So I'm going to go for one more coating, okay, and I'll be using yellow more. As you can see, our crimson color is more visible. If our yellow color was more visible, I would have used crimson, but as you can see, crimson is overshadowing the yellow, so I'll be using yellow a little more for the another coat, okay, so that I can fill my white spaces. And that would be all. Okay, after that we're going to write one beautiful quote once the page gets dry. Okay. And it's done. Okay, very little I'm going to use crimson color. Okay, very little, not a lot of it, just to give little more texture and pattern to it. See, and that's all. A very colorful background with a pattern is ready. Okay, now just to give a little more, that spooky vibe to it, what we're going to do, I'll be spraying a little white color on top of it. Okay, you yourself will going to see the magic once white color is added here, how beautiful this pattern turns. Okay, so let me just, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use one brush. Its bristles are discarded. Okay, see, you can see how hard they are. Okay, so this is a discarded brush. I'll be using this because of its bristles. As it is not in the right position, I'll be taking some water and white color in it, and I'll be just spraying it like this. Okay, you can also use it, either you can use a thumb or your index finger. So see, I have taken the white color. I'm going to dip it in water. Okay, remove the excess and just spray. See, now our colored texture background is ready. Okay, I'm going to wait it so that it gets dry, and then I'm going to write a beautiful quote in the middle of this. Okay, and then you can use it. Where you're going to use it, you can frame it, and then you can hang it on the wall of your drawing room or on the wall of your bedroom, wherever you are comfortable in hanging this. Or you can also, if the people who likes to do the journaling, they can use this pattern there. Okay, so our page has dried up. Now simply with a permanent marker, we're going to write a quote on it. Okay, so let's begin. So that's all for today. I hope you have liked the video and I hope you have learned something new today.